Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent World, the podcast that helps you speak English naturally and confidently. I'm Paul, your English coach, and with me today, as always, is my bright student, Emily.
Hello, everyone. I'm Emily, and today we're going to have a really fun conversation practice that you can use every single day to improve your English.
Exactly. Today's episode is all about daily English conversation practice. Simple, natural, and real English that you can use in your everyday life. No grammar stress, no textbook English, just real conversation.
So, Paul, let's start with a common situation. The morning routine. What's the first thing you say when you wake up?
Usually I say, "Good morning, time to start the day." And if I'm really sleepy, I might say, "I need 5 more minutes."
Yes, that's me every morning. I often say, just a few more minutes, please. Then I check my phone and go straight to the kitchen for coffee.
Nice. Here are some daily expressions everyone can practice. I just woke up. I'm getting ready for work. I need a cup of coffee. I'm in a hurry today.
These are so simple, but when you say them every day, your English becomes automatic.
Now let's move to another daily topic, work or school. Emily, how do you usually start a conversation with a classmate or a colleague?
I usually say something like, "Hey, how's your day going?" Or, "Did you finish that assignment?"
Perfect. That's natural and friendly. Let's share a few more examples for everyone listening. How's everything going? What are you working on? Can you help me with this? Let's take a short break.
Oh, and I love saying, "Let's grab a coffee later." It sounds so natural.
Yes, that's a great daily phrase. Remember, small talk is a big part of fluent English. Little conversations that make you sound confident.
Paul, let's talk about something fun, shopping. When I go to a store, I usually say, "Excuse me, how much is this?"
That's perfect. You can also say, "Do you have this in a different size? Can I try this on? I'm just looking. Thank you."
And when paying, I like to say, "Can I pay by card?" These little phrases are easy, but they make your English sound natural and polite.
Exactly. And for our listeners, practice saying them aloud. Speaking out loud helps your tongue and brain work together in English.
Paul, many learners want to sound more casual when they talk with friends. Can we share some examples?
Of course. Here are some everyday casual phrases you can use with friends. What's up? Long time no see. That's awesome. Really? No way. Catch you later.
I use "no way" all the time. It sounds friendly and natural.
Exactly. And remember, tone is everything. Say it with feeling. No way.
Haha, yes. When you use these small expressions daily, you sound more confident and connected.
Now, let's talk about evening routines, after work or study. What do you usually say at the end of the day, Emily?
I often say, "I'm so tired," or "Finally, I can relax."
Exactly. Or you can say, "I'm going to bed early tonight. Let's watch something before bed. Good night. See you tomorrow."
Simple and natural, that's the key to fluency.
Before we wrap up, here are 3 tips for everyone listening. 1. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm walking to work. 2. Repeat short phrases. Imitate Emily and me. Listening plus repeating equals fluency. 3. Record yourself. Listen and notice your pronunciation.
That's so true. I used to record my voice every day. It helped me sound more natural and confident.
That's all for today's episode of Fluent World Podcast, Daily English Conversation Practice.
If you enjoy this episode, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share it with your friends.
And remember, every single day is a new chance to practice English. So keep speaking, keep listening, and stay fluent.
See you in the next episode. Bye!
Goodbye, everyone, and keep practicing English every day.